Cable Replacement Guide. The video content is structured in 4 parts. Ensure you have the correct parts. You will need the following tools before starting the repair. Safety precautions. Wear gloves during operation to avoid cuts. Before tipping over the lawn mower, it's advisable to either exhaust the fuel or pour it out to prevent liquid spillage. Disassembly. Remove the power lever and power cable. Remove the self-propelled engagement lever and drive engagement cable. Loosen the cable assembly mounting bolt. Disconnect the power cable at the other end. Position the height lever to center. Tilt the machine 90 degrees with carburetor facing up. It is recommended to use a long rod to secure the blade. Turn counterclockwise to loosen blade bolt, torque greater than 50 Nm. Remove blade adapter assembly and pull belt from pulley. Use 10 mm socket wrench to remove 2 belt cover screws. Remove the belt cover. Loosen 4 bolts on each end of the drive rod clamp plate. Remove the self-propelled rod assembly. Detach the drive cable harness from the distal end of the self-propelled assembly. Remove the complete wiring harness through the rear access panel. Disassembled parts as shown. Assembly. Feed the longer end of the new cable through the hole in the machine's rear cover. Seat the cable plug in the keyed receptacle of the self-propelled assembly. Ensure the belt is properly seated in the drive assembly's groove. Install the self-propelled unit into the corresponding slot on the machine's rear cover. Tighten the 4 screws securely. Snap the cover into its corresponding clips. Install the belt cover onto the machine. Tighten 2 belt cover screws. Install the gasket into the blade adapter, paying attention to the direction of the keyway. Install blade, elastic washer, and bolt to adapter in sequence. Then rotate several times. Install belt into pulley groove. Pay attention to the direction of the keyway. Install entire blade adapter assembly onto power shaft. Torque the screw clockwise to 45 to 48 Nm. Once the blade turns with a wrench, the blade holder is correctly installed. Turn the machine back to its normal orientation. Connect one end of the power cable to the corresponding port and secure it. Insert the rubber stoppers from the conveyor into the corresponding slots. Attach the cable to the push rod. Insert the opposite end of the power cable into the corresponding hole. Insert the self-propelled cable from the other end into the corresponding hole. Check if the operating lever opens and closes properly. Verify the machine's functionality. Hold the power lever. Pull the starter rope. The machine should start normally. Hold the self-propelled lever. The self-propulsion function should engage normally. Cable replacement completed.